Clap your hands and say with me, let's explore from A to Z. A is for apple. Yummy, yummy apple. B is for ball. Catch and throw. C is for cat. Who says meow, meow? D is for dog. Bark like a puppy. E is for elephant. Swing your trunk and stomp. F is for fish. Can you wiggle like a fish? G is for giraffe. Stretch your neck. Shout out loud. H is for hat. Go wear your hat. I is for ice cream. Cold and sweet. J is for jacket. Zip it tight. K is for kite. Wave your hands and touch the flying kite. L is for lemon. Sour. Make a pouty face. M is for monkey. Can you swing and scratch your knees? N is for nest. Cozy and small. Fly like a bird. O is for owl. Who hoots at night? Can you hoot? P is for peacock. Feathers so beautiful. Q is for queen. So royal and neat. Can you sit on the royal seat? R is for rabbit. Hopping around. Hop, hop, hop. S is for sun. Shining bright. T is for tree. Tall and green. Stretch up high and reach the sky. U is for umbrella. Do you have an umbrella at your home? V is for van. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Off we go. W is for whale. Swish your tail and glide, glide, glide. X is for xylophone. With bright colors and music. I is for yak. With fur so thick. Stomp like a yak. Z is for zebra. With black and white stripes. B, C, D, E, F, G, H, E, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now we know our ABC. Next time, won't you say with me? Jump up high and give a cheer. Hooray!